Hi, today I'm going to make my new favourite cocktail. Well, it's new to me anyway, it's actually quite an old one. This is the Blackthorn cocktail. It's got some ingredients you might not have, but they're well worth getting into your cupboard. So you'll need gin, which I'm sure you do have, Dubonnet, which you may not have, but if you've made my Queen Mother cocktail from a few weeks ago, then you may well have this, and Kirschwasser. Kirschwasser is an eau de vie. It's not a liqueur, so it's not sweet. But this, again, it's brilliant for cocktails, so if you like making cocktails, it's a good one to have in the cupboard. You need lemon for a twist and some cocktail cherries. I'm using the Luxardo maraschino cherries. They work great in this one. So what you will need, now, because the measures are really quite particular in this one, so although it's easy, it's really important to get the measures right, otherwise it's just not going to work. So try and get a jigger that has got 0.75 of an ounce, so 3/4 of an ounce of a shot on it, as well as just your half, because the Dubonnet and the Kirschwasser, they just need to be at 3/4 of an ounce. So what we'll do, we'll start off with the gin, and the gin you need 2 measures, so 60 ml or 2 ounces, 2 shots. And we're putting all of this into a mixing glass that is half filled with ice. You can see that there. So 2 of gin, and then it's 3/4 of an ounce of Dubonnet. Straight into mixing glass. And then 3/4 of an ounce also of Kirschwasser. It's Kirsch eau de vie. It smells rather pungent. And straight in. So Kirsch is sort of a cherry flavour. Well, it is a cherry flavour. Which gives this a really nice fruit edge. And we're just going to stir this one, so no shaker required. Give it a good stir. Make sure that ice starts to melt a little bit. You want to make sure that all the ingredients are cooling down really well. Okay. And then you need to strain it, or double strain it if you wish, into a cocktail glass. Oops, spilling it. I'm too fast, too eager. There we go, it's beautiful colour. And then into that, we're going to sink a cherry to the bottom of the glass. With these Luxardo ones, they come in a gorgeous syrup. It doesn't matter if you get a little bit of that syrup in there. Sink that in. And then a lemon twist. Given my disasters before, I've already taken a twist off of the lemon rind. And I've used this time, I found in the cupboard, a zester, but it's got a notch on it for doing a peel as well. So look out for those, they're really good. And so we just want a little twist. Just don't knock the others in that rind. You can hang it off the side or drop it in. Given that we've got a cherry in there, I'll hang it off the side a bit here. There we go. That is the Blackthorn cocktail.